Welcome back to Optima Remedy. This is Geeta Premani, and today's topic is hack the habits and not the diet. So, most of y'all must be following a food plan, trying to be in a routine, but you're not able to follow it for a longer run. It's because you are missing on a very major thing, that is working on your habits. And in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 habits which are very crucial to do the bare minimum thing for your healthy living. What happened exactly when you begin your diet plan? Initially, you're very motivated, and then you follow everything, your portion size, your combinations, your meal timing, etc. etc. But no matter what your goal is, if you have a goal of weight loss, weight gain, managing your diabetes, PCOD, or just being a healthy, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, regardless what your goal is, by incorporating these 5 habits, you will be able to fix your lifestyle to the best. In this video, I will not only share that what are the habits, but how you will be incorporating in your daily routine. So number 1 is sleep. That is the most baseline thing to work on. 7 to 8 hours of sleep helps you to rejuvenate, helps you to detoxify your body, maintains your hormone balance, and whereas if your sleep is disturbed, it leads to premature graying of hair, lot of hair fall. Apart from it, you are losing on your memory, you're losing on your focus, a lot of irritation, and you're not really able to be productive throughout the day. So how to exactly work on your sleep? A lot of us are aiming that I want to wake up early so that I can go to the gym, or I can make time out for my workout and all those things. But rather than focusing on waking up early, I would say focus on sleeping early. So remove all the gadgets at least an hour before of your bedtime, and maybe you can read a book or something, or do some meditation before you sleep, so that you are getting into a habit of sleeping early, and eventually it will get fixed and you will be able to wake up early, so that you will be able to achieve other things of your day, like going to the gym or making time out for your yoga or workout, or any morning routine which you always wanted to follow. Now, you have to be patient with yourself. This will take couple of days to fix your early bedtime, because you have been sleeping very late, or maybe at irrational time since a long time. That's something you really need to bring it to the routine, for which you require a consistency. So promise yourself that you will be able to follow a particular habit for at least a week or 10 days time, or there are people who are just following it for 21 days to show up. Showing up is very necessary. Regardless how much ever work you have to keep the laptop aside, you have to keep all the work aside, and you have to go to the bed, do your meditation and sleep. There should be a particular timing to go to the bed, and that is how you will be able to sleep early. The second habit is sticking to the basic home cooked meals. No matter what, as much as you can, you have to incorporate a basic home cooked meal. Now you have to imagine your plate. Always follow a my plate concept, where 50% of your plate should have fiber, which should come from the salad, locally available salad, simple cucumber, carrot, tomato, beet, all these things. Okay, you don't have to go for the fancy ones like zucchini and capsicum, red bell peppers and all those things. So simple cucumber, carrot is absolutely fine to incorporate, and that should be your 50% of the plate. Now the remaining 50% should have protein and carbohydrates. Few protein sources which you can incorporate in your plate is the non-veg or paneer, soya bean, or any sort of pulses. Carbohydrate, which is the major source of energy, and we Indian consume a lot of carbohydrate in one portion. So the sources like your chapati or rice or bhakri, make sure you are incorporating this part in a very small quantity compared to the salad, compared to the protein portion, that is dal and your paneer, soya bean and all those things. One important thing which you can incorporate here is any locally available or a seasonal vegetable or green leafy vegetables. Okay, so this is how you will be balancing your plate. Follow as much as you can by incorporating your simple home cooked meal. So one pot meals are really good option to go for if you don't have time to cook so many things together. So vegetable khichdi is a good option. Paneer pulao is a good option, or soya pulao is a good option to go with. But make sure that you're adding a lot of vegetables and protein sources like soya bean, your paneer, curd, all these things in a meal. All these things should be there to make your meal very much balanced and easy to digest, because it gives all the macro and micronutrients, which also improves your immunity. You feel very very fresh from within when you are providing a perfect amount of energy, macro and micronutrients to your body. So it should be like a celebration for your body when you are eating simple home cooked meal. Third is the water intake. Yes, simplest and most forgettable habit, which is causing a lot of health issues like kidney stones, and dehydration leads to the dullness in the skin, hair fall, and all those things. But it's very simple to incorporate adequate water. First thing in the morning, take 1 to 2 glasses of water. In the rest of the day, at least in 1.5 hour, you may put an alarm or something, or a kind of reminder in your phone. Utilize your smartphones for a healthy lifestyle, and don't wait for your body to give you the clue that your body is thirsty, because by the time you get a clue that you are thirsty, you are already dehydrated, and that is the reason you are getting that symptom of thirsty. So please drink water in a timely manner, so that you will be able to give a reward to your body by drinking adequate water, because it requires for various functioning. It helps you to boost your metabolism. So simple habit of taking 2 to 2.5 liter of water in a day, or maximum up to 3 liter if you are into a lot of workout or something, will help you to boost up your metabolism, which will also help you to gain muscle mass and decrease your fat percentage, weight loss, and all these things will be getting into a streamlined once you are providing adequate amount of water to your body. Next is adding a portion of fruit and nut in your diet. So you may add it in your mid-morning snack, or in early morning you can begin your day with soaked nuts and fruit. Considering soaking the nuts, because they helps to remove the anti-nutritional factors. A combination of fruit and nut together provides you a balanced snack, or I would say a complete thing, because nuts are good source of fiber and protein, whereas fruits are the great source of carbohydrates, and these two combination together will provide you enough amount of macro and macronutrients, which will help you to boost up your immunity and flush out toxins from your body. So consider adding a portion of fruit and some handful of nuts together in your day wherever you get time, maybe as an evening snack or mid-morning snack or early morning. This portion will help you to flush out toxins from your body, will boost up your immunity by providing macro and micronutrients, which eventually will help you to achieve weight loss and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Last is physical activity. I'm mentioning this habit in last is because even if you're very busy, if you're not able to do it on regular basis, at least 3 times in a week, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 40-45 minutes, how much ever time you can take it out for your workout would be enough. Okay, but you have to incorporate, because the benefits of exercise includes it helps you to remove toxins from your body. It helps you to gain muscle mass. It helps to release the happy hormones in your body, which eventually helps you to conquer through this day, keep you calm, keep you more focused, and you're really living the best life when you are incorporating a regular workout. So minimum 3 days in a week for like 30 to 45 minutes is good enough to incorporate. Whatever kind of workout you like gym or yoga or jogging, running, swimming, badminton, or any sort of sports you wanted to incorporate like cricket, it's up to you how you want to do it. But yes, doing something is important rather than spending an entire week by not adding a single workout routine in your lifestyle. So this is the bare minimum thing you can do. So to wind up this video, there's one pro tip. Do not incorporate all these 5 things together at a time. choose one single habit which is very easy for you to incorporate in your daily routine, work on it for like a week or 10 days, and then slowly introduce the second one, work on that second one for a couple of days, and then third ones. But eventually you have to incorporate these 5 habits. Make it a timeline that you are able to do it consistently. Okay, but then even if you are incorporating one habit, 2 habits in your diet and lifestyle, don't forget to like be consistent. And it shouldn't be like that after few days or not able to follow the previous habits which you have set it for yourself. So yes, this is the bare minimum thing which you can do it to bring out the best in yourself, and you will be able to be the most fittest version of yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.